Andy here with Expert Renovation. We're on day 3 of our shed roof edition. The rain has been giving us a fit. It's been almost impossible to get anything done, but it's finally cooperating. Cario and Jose are getting the little sidewall detail done. We're going to be doing the fascia work and soffit. Then we'll bring the roofers in. Hopefully later this week. We're almost out of time with the holiday. It may end up running into the first of next week. We're going to be putting some CertainTeed landmarks, Moray Black, integrity roof system. Cover all this up, get our wiring done, smooth ceiling, 2 ceiling fans in here, stain this exposed beam. This other side of the porch had exposed soffits. We wanted to separate this, so we're going to put a closed soffit here. 2x6 framing, everything tied in the way it should be. Had a dead HVAC vent up there. I'm sorry, hot water heater vent. Extended our pipe up to the 6x6. Galvanized standoffs. Everything the way it should be, the way we like it. We can help you out with your exterior projects, roofing, siding, framing, windows. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.